How is my course different from all the other Linux courses? I'll tell you how. I'm going to teach you commands. But you can get that anywhere. Everyone teaches you commands. Take this command. RM. It means remove. You remove files with it. Simple enough. And this. Star.log. Star is a wildcard. It means match anything. So, you want to remove all your old log files, you go rm star.log. Simple, right? Sure, you can learn that anywhere. But what they're not going to tell you is that no administrator who's been working in the field for very long would ever run that command. Don't you want to know why? I'm Ezra, and welcome to Linux Administration Made Easy. Here's what I'm not going to do in this course. I'm not going to teach you the history of Linux and all the distros that it came from and all that stuff. I'm also not going to be real methodical or real thorough compared to like a college course, because we ain't got the time for that. We want to hit the ground running. We want to get involved. So I'm going to give you real world projects that you're going to do the first day on any job in the Linux world. I have been in so many different Linux environments over the last 20 years. I have seen a lot. And I can tell you that the people that invented Linux, well, the people that invented Unix, they didn't come up with these commands to be cryptic and weird. They were trying to name the commands something short but memorable. And since nobody remembers why they gave the commands the names as they did, it's hard for them to remember. Take the command nice. When people want to reprioritize something and it's competing for resources with other processes, the command to change its priority is called nice. But everybody gets this wrong. They figure, well, I'll just add nice points to my process and it will be running faster than all the others. So they go nice plus 20 process name. And then their process runs slower. What? What's going on here? Well, the nice command got named because of the old saying, nice guys finish last. That means everyone else is going to finish before you. When you're being nice to everyone else, but not yourself. So your process will finish last. If you want your process to finish first, you have to be not nice. So now that you know the history of the command nice, do you think you'll ever confuse it? No, that's locked in your brain forever now. A lot of Linux commands are like that. We're going to move very quickly. In the first 90 minutes, you're going to learn how to network servers, how to install software, how to make shell scripts, monitor users and processes, how to set up networking. We're going to do all that in the first 90 minutes. We're going to hit the ground running. We're not going to mess around. And that's why my course is different.